Welcome to DigiTech Dynamo. Today, we're diving into an exciting project where we'll build a classic snake game using an Arduino and an LED matrix. Let's get started. Here's what we'll be using for this project: an Arduino board, an 8x8 LED matrix, 4 push buttons, and a few wires. I'll guide you through setting everything up and explain the code behind the game. First, let's connect the LED matrix to the Arduino. We need to connect 3 pins: data in to pin 12, CLK to pin 11, and load to pin 10. Make sure your connections are secure. Next, connect the push buttons to the Arduino. We'll use pin 2 for left button, pin 3 for right button, pin 4 for up button, and pin 5 for down button. Set these as input pull-up in the code to read button presses. Now let's dive into the code. We'll use the LED control library to control the LED matrix. First, we initialize the matrix and set up our buttons. In the setup function, we configure the LED matrix and buttons, then initialize the snake's starting position and place the first piece of food. Moving on to the game logic, the moveSnake function updates the position of the snake based on the current direction. If the snake eats the food, we increase its length and place new food. We also need to handle collisions. The checkCollision function checks if the snake runs into itself, which ends the game. Here's a live demo of the game. Watch as the snake moves around the matrix, eating food and growing longer. The game will reset if the snake collides with itself. Remember to adjust the delay in the loop function to control the snake's speed. You can also customize the game by modifying the code and adding new features. If you run into any issues, check your wiring connections and ensure the code is correctly uploaded to the Arduino. Common problems often involve loose connections or incorrect pin numbers. That's it for today's project. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more exciting electronics projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy building!